Hey guys, it's your girl Anna and I'm back with another video. Today I'll be doing for you something nice for the kids, some mint chocolate. Stay tuned if you'd like to see how I prepare this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Remember to watch the ads, guys. Let's jump straight into it. So first thing first, these are the ingredients that we'll be using. I'm going to use a Hershey's cookie and cream chocolate and a dairy chocolate. I'm also going to use some candy canes. So first thing that we're going to do is we're going to remove the wrappers from the candies. So we have removed all the wrappers, and what we are going to do next is to smash the candy canes and add the chocolates to their individual containers. So I'm just using the pounder to pound the candies, and once I finish, I'm going to add the chocolate, as I said before, to their respected containers because we are going to melt them. After adding the chocolate to the containers, we're also going to add the candies to the container, the mint candy canes to the metal container also. Fun facts, you could always throw in some Skittles or any other candy that you want. And this is just a treat, guys. Remember now, do not feed the kids on this. So we have melted the chocolate and I've added a little bit of butter just to melt them. Look at that. We're now going to grease a container. And by greasing, I've used a little olive oil. You can use butter, you can use whichever oil you like. Then I'm going to add the chocolate to the container, and I'm adding the milk, the dairy chocolate first, the darker one, because that's the one that we have more of. So we just try to forget about everything in the plate. We don't want waste, yeah. And I'm just trying to smooth it a bit. After smoothing the dark chocolate, the milk chocolate rather, I'm going to add the cookie and cream version. And it's not enough to coat the top. However, if you do have enough to coat the top, you can coat the entire top. So I'm adding drops of the cookie and cream just over the top, to create a little pattern, something nice. So I'm just trying to get everything from the container. We don't want to waste nothing at all. Finally, we're going to sprinkle the candy cane over this. And guys, I had added some spices, almond rose water and vanilla. So you can do that too, just a pinch of each. And you can adjust the amount of candy cane that you want. You can add less than I have added or more than I've added. It's really up to you, and we're going to put it in the fridge. You can put it in the freezer for it to get hard faster. And this is the end result of it. We're then going to break it into bite-sized pieces like this, and I'm telling you, it is one to die for. You can use whichever candy you like. I introduced it to my son and he loved it.
Good. It's very good. I love it. I'm still not getting my hands off it. So just there. And I love it.
Trust me, the kids will love this, and it is a Christmassy treat. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Until next time, it's your girl Anna. Have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.